Hello, good morning. I want to tell you my presentation about different British and American English. British and American English. British and American English can be differentiated in three ways. One, different is language use convention, meaning and spelling of words, grammar and punctuation differences. Two, vocabulary. 3. Differentiation, say, way of using English dictated by the different cultural values of the two countries. Differences in language use convention. 1. That in British English the standard way of reading that is to put the day of the month as figure, then the month later as figure or spelled out, and then the year. In American English is to put the month first, then the day of the month, then the year. 2. O and O. In British English, the standard way of reading words that might include either the letter or the letter O is to use the O from, for example, color. In American English is to use only O, for example, color. 3. Through. In American English, the word through can be used to mean until. 4. Hyphens are often used in British English to connect prefixes with the main word. Z or rise. In British English, as is generally used in such or as recognized authorizes. The letter Z is used in American English in such or as recognized and authorizes. L or double L. In American English, a single L is used in such words as traveled or concealed. In British English, double L is used traveled, concealed. 7. Re or er. In American English, the er ending is used in words like there. In British English, these words are spelled there. 8. O and A. Some scientific terms retain the use of the classic compositive vowels O and A in British English. These include diary, anesthetic, gynecologic, and homeopathic. In American English, a single A replaced the composite vowel diarrhea, anesthetic, gynecologic, homeopathic. E or UE. In British English, the final silent E or UE in retained is shock words as analog. In American English, it is omitted analog. 10. Able and able. The silent E produces when forming some adjective with a suffix in generally used in British English in such or as likable. In American English, it is generally left out likable. C or she. In British English, the verb that related to a noun ending in she in sometimes give the ending she, for example, advice. In American English, the situation is more complicated. Both forms are used in advices. Preposition. In American English, it is acceptable to omit preposition in certain situations. In British English, this habit is less common. Have and got. In American English, it is quite acceptable to use the word got without have in sentence like I got to take for the show tonight. In British English, it is more usual to say I've got to ticket for the show tonight. Gotten in a proper or in American English, but is only used as an Americanism in British English, except in certain phrases such as I'll gotten gains.
While or wise, both while and wise are used in British English. In American English, while is the right word to use, and wise is regarded as a pretension affectation. Vocabulary. For an example can be seen on the screen. 3. Differences related to cultural values. There are a number of differences between British and American English, which relate to the different values of the two countries in general. British English tends to react more slowly to net word and phrases than American English. American English enthusiastically adopts new usage, some of which later pass into general use. British English has a slight tendency to vagueness and ponderous diction. American English tends to be more direct and vivid. American English tends to be more slack than British English.
Both American and British English are keen on euphemism. In British English, these are often used for humorous purpose or to smooth over something unpleasant. American English has a tendency to lengthen unnecessarily exciting words in an effort to make them sound more important. Thank you for your attention.